Add refrigerant. Connected with a condenser. Connected with a vacuum pump. Connecting the compressor. Valve unscrewing. The valve is closed twice. Both valves are open. Turn on the vacuum pump to pump air. The vacuuming time is about 5 小时 hours. After completing the vacuum, close both valves. Turn off the vacuum pump. Connect to refrigerant bottle and open valve. Drain the air from the duct. The red pipe is connected to the compressor and must be connected to the compressor. Refrigerant can only be added from here during operation, so at this moment now. Open the blue valve and start adding refrigerant. When refrigerant cannot be added, close the valve. Close the valve, remove the piping. Next, replenish refrigerant from the compressor. Please watch the next video.